everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. I cannot believe New Year's Eve is in just a few days and 2019 is nearly over. Like, what the hell? This year has gone so quick. It's actually insane. Like, I'm trying to think what I've even done this year. I feel like I've done quite a bit. I've had a few ups and downs. I think everyone does every year. No one's whole year is going to be like amazing. But yeah, I've moved into my house this year, which was amazing, and pretty much nearly finished renovating. So that's exciting. Yeah, I've done quite a bit this year actually. But yeah, New Year's Eve, party makeup. Want to give you some inspiration. I've got a little bit of an idea in my head of what I'm going to do. Obviously, it's sparkly, of course. And yeah, let's get straight into this tutorial. I really hope you enjoy it. As you can see, my base and my brows is already on. I've literally just done my brows, my foundation and powder and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to do my contour, highlight, eyes, lip, and already done my hair. Yeah, and I'll pop links below to my jewellery, my clips, my outfit and all the makeup so you can shop this look. Right, step one. I'm going to be taking the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Love this bronzer. It's just a great everyday one. It's just quick to use. And yeah, I really love the shade of this actually. Yeah, so let's get sweeping it on my face. And I'm going to be applying it with the number 4 Real Techniques brush. Love this brush. Such a nice little size to fit right into my, just under my cheekbone, to just raise my cheekbones a little bit and just give a bit more shape to my face. Next up, I'm going to be taking this brush, the Full Shadow brush from Eco Tools, and I like this one because this is what I use to contour my nose with. So when I do my nose, I like to start at the top of my nose, just where my brows are, the start of my brows, and I'll just take that bronzer down the bridge of my nose, straight. Don't worry if it's a bit too much powder. And then when I get to this end bit, I will just kind of go around and create a circle on the tip of my nose. Like so. You can already see my nose taking shape already. And then I like to just take the bronzer down the edges of my nose, just to shape it a bit better. And then I take my powder brush and just blend that in. Like so. So that's my contour done. Now we're going to move on to highlight. And I feel like I'm going to go for a gold highlight. To keep in theme with my look, I'm going for like a gold, silver, New Year's Eve vibe. Now Milk Makeup do the most insane highlighters called Flex. This one's a little bit damaged, but it's called Iced and it is unreal. I'm going to be applying this with the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush on my cheekbones, my nose, on top of my Cupid bow, and yeah, let's get applying. How insane is that? It is popping. Right, so my face is all contoured and highlighted and I'm loving it. That highlighter is honestly so beautiful. Right, moving on to my eyes. I'm going to be using the Me, Myself and Mitchell palette. I love this because look how amazing it is. However, I'm actually just going to be using the Mafia, which is a black eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be popping the eyeshadow on in my crease and blending upwards. Next up, I need to cut my crease in, so I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer. I love this because it's super thick and it's really, really creamy, so it's easy to create a really nice, slick cut crease and very sharp. That is the crease cut in. Next up, I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I love this liquid liner. It's waterproof and I really love the sharp felt tip nib that it's got on the end. You can create a really, really beautiful flick. So let's get applying. Right, so that's the flick done. Now I'm going to be taking two glitters and I'm going to be kind of creating a silver to gold glitter ombre on my cut crease. So yeah, I've got the NYX glitter in shade Crystal and the MAC glitter in shade Yellow Gold. And to stick the glitter down, I'm going to be using eyelash glue. So that's the glitter applied. Oh my god, I love it. I've never done like an ombre glitter look before. Looks so sparkly. Right, now all I need is some lashes. So I'm gonna put on these Huda Hoodie #23 lengthy lashes. They look so fluffy. So that's my lashes applied. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara just over the top, just because I feel like it blends my natural lash into the false lash, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara to the bottom as well. So I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara for this next step. And then to make this look pop even more, I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D Cake Pencil in shade White Out and just applying it on the bottom of my lash line. Like so. I love it. I love a pop of white pencil. Cute. Right, next, a little bit of highlight, I think, on the inner corners of my eyes. And for this, I'm going to take the MAC Sun Extra Dimension Skin Finish Sky's the Limit highlighter. Love this for the inner corner. I also put a little pop of it just on my brow bone to make the makeup pop even more. And oh my god, I'm so loving it. Looks so nice. Right. What else do I want to do? I feel like I want to put 2 little stars just in the corners of my eyes as well. And I've got this cute little star pot. It's got silver and gold stars in from MAC. Like so. I think that's cute. Really finishes it off. Right, now for a lip. I'm going to go in with this Huda Beauty Demi Matte in shade Feminist, and then I'm going to apply the House Laboratories shade Le Riot lip gloss over the top. Really loving lip glosses at the moment, and I feel like I'm going to go for a nude lip because the eyes are popping. Right guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? So yeah, please let me know your thoughts on this look. Leave your comments below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Tried to chat as much as I could through it. And yeah, pop links below to all the products that I've used and my outfit and my jewellery, so you can recreate this whole look if you want to, or elements of it. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Yeah, and I really hope you guys have an amazing new year. Peace out.